Hey there, beginner gardeners. Welcome back to the channel. Got a free ice cube tray lying around, maybe tucked away in the back of your freezer or a spare one in the kitchen drawer? Don't throw it out. Good, because I've got a clever summer hack to get your herb garden off to a flying start. No fancy gear needed, no expensive seed starting kits, just a simple ice cube tray and a little bit of know-how. Today I'm showing you my favorite July trick, the ice cube tray herb nursery. It's a game changer for starting herbs in the hottest part of the year. Plus a no-stress way to transplant those seedlings straight into the garden, minimizing transplant shock and maximizing your chances of success. It's perfect for basil, cilantro, those summer staples that add so much flavor to our cooking. Parsley, dill, you name it. Any small-seeded herb will thrive in this setup. So gather your supplies and let's dive in. First, grab a clean ice cube tray. Make sure it's free of any lingering food odors or residue. Silicone ones are best, because they're flexible and make it easier to pop out the seedlings later, but plastic works too. Just be a little more careful when removing the cubes. Fill each cube about 3/4 full with a fluffy seed starting mix. This is important, don't use regular garden soil, as it can be too heavy and compact for delicate seedlings. Then, drop in 2 or 3 seeds per section. This increases your chances of at least one seed germinating in each cube. Cover them lightly with more mix, just a thin layer, and give them a gentle mist of water. You want the soil to be damp, not soaking wet. Here's the magic. Turn your tray into a mini greenhouse. This creates the perfect environment for germination. Just cover it with plastic wrap or a clear lid to trap the humidity. A clear plastic storage container lid works great for this. Place it in a spot with bright, indirect light. Think cozy, not sunbaked. A north-facing windowsill is ideal, or a spot a few feet away from a south-facing window. Seeds love steady temps, especially in the summer heat. Aim for a temperature between 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 24 degrees Celsius, for optimal germination. Now, instead of watering from above, which can disturb the delicate seeds, pour a little water right into the tray, filling it about halfway. Let it soak up from the bottom. The soil will draw up the water, providing consistent moisture to the seeds. This keeps the soil moist but not soggy, and helps avoid those pesky molds that can take out seedlings in hot weather. Overwatering is a common mistake, so bottom watering is your friend. In about a week or two, depending on the herb, you'll see tiny sprouts popping up, reaching for the light. Wait until they have 2 or 3 true leaves. That's when they're strong enough to move outside. The first leaves you see are cotyledons. The true leaves will look more like the mature herb. And here's the best part. Just flex the tray and pop out each soil cube, roots and all. It's so satisfying. No tugging, no mess, and absolutely zero root shock. This is key to successful transplanting. You plant the whole cube directly into the garden or a bigger pot. Dig a small hole, place the cube in, and gently backfill with soil. The roots stay safe and undisturbed, and your herbs settle in super fast. Water them well after transplanting. Why do I love this for July? The heat can fry delicate seedlings, especially if you're direct sowing into the garden. But starting indoors gives them a safe, cool start, protected from the harsh summer sun and extreme temperatures. And since you can start a new batch every couple weeks, you'll have a steady supply of fresh herbs all summer long. This is called succession planting, and it's a great way to extend your harvest, even as older herbs bolt in the summer sun. Bolting is when herbs flower and go to seed, which can make their leaves taste bitter. Quick pro tip, sprinkle a little cinnamon on top of the soil. It's a natural fungicide. It helps prevent damping off, a disease that loves to hit seedlings hard in summer, especially in humid conditions. And here's a bonus: freeze cubes of diluted compost tea. This is like giving your seedlings a superfood boost. Then plant them next to your seedlings for a slow-release nutrient boost right at the roots. The compost tea will gradually release nutrients as it thaws. So dig out that old ice cube tray, give this hack a try, and get ready to enjoy a summer filled with fresh, homegrown herbs. And watch your summer herbs flourish. You'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding it is. Trust me, your future self and your kitchen will thank you. Happy gardening. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.